this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your DYSON V15, including all the different components, because the better care you take of your Dyson, the longer it should last you, and the better the suction should be. So let's take a look at how to clean everything. So let me show you how easy it is to clean. First, you have your motor, and this is going to be a two-part cleanup. What you're going to first want to do is open the back, and if you have to change or replace the filter, you're going to be taking this out and replacing it separately. You have access to clean any of the ports here, as you so choose, but most likely you are going to be focused on this area, because when you look at it, you're like, there's no button to open and remove the actual dustbin. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be releasing it, and that's going to empty everything outside of your dustbin. But there is a lever here. If you guys see right here, there is a little lever. You press that lever and you could pop out the bin for easy removal and easy cleanup, where you can clean the filters and you can clean the bin itself. One thing to note importantly is that this is actually going to be attached by screws to the main unit. So you can't just remove the filter here or here. These are all solid pieces. What I like to do is just clean out everything, rinse it, and reinsert it this way into the big mouth opening. You line it up with your red handle, and you're going to see that's locked back in. And then once it's locked back in, you can push it up and reinsert it for easy removal or access. Now, these are going to be the more complicated parts. You have your anti-tangle roller, and you want to keep the anti-tangle brush clean. There is an easy way. If you have a quarter or you have anything that can rotate that, you can unlock the anti-tangle comb and clean it directly yourself. So I'm going to be just using a screwdriver, just twist, and it's going to unlock it. Once it's unlocked, you have full access to remove the anti-tangle brush. And just pop it out, and you can wash this and rinse this separately easily. And your anti-tangle brush will be clean. This is connected to a belt. I do recommend, if you want to clean the plastic, you can insert a piece of tissue and just wipe it down, as you see me doing. And that's going to be very easy to start cleaning up everything. And you can use an air cannon or an air gun, and that's going to remove any of the crumbs. And that'll clean up everything, any remaining stuff, to just keep it new. This is going to be the soft brush roll with the laser detect. It's even easier on this one because you don't need to insert anything, because they have a little tab. All you need to do is turn the tab and pull it out. Now you can wash this just inside of the sink and clean it using your hands. You don't want to use something too aggressive because it could damage the bristles. But all you need, I find, is just a little bit of water, and you can rinse it through. You can use cleaning product as well. I do sometimes use it with a dish soap. You can strain all the water out. I recommend, if you're trying to clean this, because of the electrical components in the laser detect, you're going to want to use some type of wet tissue or rag. Clean that, and you could clean it this way more easily. Use our air gun. If you want to clean areas like your attachments, these are relatively simple. You just have to pluck them, you can wash them, they're removable. So very easy to clean these attachments because there's nothing mechanical or motor in them. But if you have the anti-tangle brush roll as such, you're going to want to clean this as well, because it could get dirty, as you see here. What I recommend in terms of cleaning this tool is that there's two pieces, and then, which is special, once you have it all open, you can press the red. And if you press the red, you can separate the housing all together. Now you have direct access to clean this and empty all the debris easily. I'm not going to touch any of the mechanical parts with water, obviously. Just I'm gonna rinse my brush real fast. So that's how easy it is to clean the Dyson V15 Detect. It is all coming with multi-parts that you can open up easily and then reassemble once you rinse out any clogs or debris, or just to keep it looking new. Because you put a lot of investment inside of the Dyson, you want to keep it running fresh for years to come. And we'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.